Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for August 11 to 17, 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Ayan. And meron tayong 50% discount sa mga tarot reading services kapag nag-book kayo from August 15 to 31. Ayan. Samantalahin nyo yung 50% discount. And paalala lang, ang reading na to ay general reading. So just take what resonates, okay? So let's begin, Capricorn. What's the energy for this week? August 11 to 17 for Capricorn. Okay, this is your overall energy, possible challenge, opportunity, and blessing. Okay. In fairness, magandang energy na to for you ngayong week na to, Capricorn. Maari lang kasi na yung may mga bagay na dapat sana ninyong gagawin pinagpapaliban ninyo, no? So I suggest na kung ano man tong gusto nyong gawin, na kumbaga hindi kayo, parang pwede kasing plano nyo to or sinusubukan nyo na, pero hindi pa kayo fully committed. Oo, you really have to commit yourself. Yes, you have the 8 of Pentacles, bottom of the deck, which is about commitment and also effort. So, this week, mas magbibigay ka ng effort, attention sa mga bagay na importante sa'yo. This can be sa relationship mo, sa family mo, or sa career mo, trabaho mo. Okay, you have the King of Swords. I think, ngayon, mas seryoso ka na sa mga plano mo. Meron kang mga practical and logical na mga backup plans for your actions. You also have the Strength card. So, this is lakas ng loob na gawin yung mga gusto mo. Kasi, this is also about confidence, no? Syempre, kung hindi ka confident sa ginagawa mo, most likely, hindi mo talaga maipapakita yung most authentic self mo. Yung totoo mo talaga, no? It will show. Makikita talaga yan sa performance mo, sa trabaho mo, even sa relationship mo, sa pakikitungo mo sa ibang tao. You are also healing from a misunderstanding or miscommunication or conflict with someone. Pwede nagkaroon ka ng conflict with an Aquarius or someone na meron kayong hindi na pagkakaintindihan. So, you are healing from that. Mas pinipili mo ngayon yung peace of mind mo para mas maging devoted ka doon sa goals mo. Okay, so your overall energy is the 4 of Pentacles, which is the stability, your foundation. So ngayong week na to, ang focus mo, family mo, mga needs ninyo. This is also about saving money. So ngayon, mas natututunan mo yung halaga ng pera. Yung value nito sa'yo, hindi lang yung pinaka-value nito sa market, no, but also kung paano yung pera magbibigay sa ng confidence, no, sa buhay mo. So yan yung focus mo ngayon. Let's see, what is the 4 of Pentacles? What is the 4 of Pentacles? Ooh, the Empress. Ang ganda nito. So, Capricorn, yung iba sa inyo, if you've been trying to launch or start something, ngayong week na to, this is the best time. If full support or all out na yung efforts ninyo. Oo, i-all out nyo na yung effort ninyo kasi meron tong magiging magandang resulta for you. This is abundance. The Empress is about attracting abundance, pagiging productive, mas marami kang magagawa. Oo. And also, to take care of your needs, to take care of yourselves. Yung iba naman, possible na meron ding pregnancy if you've been wanting to get pregnant, ganyan. Kasi merong celebration dito. So, syempre, hindi naman para sa lahat. But, there is a possibility of pregnancy as well. And then, your challenge is the Six of Swords. So, ito yung pag-move, paggalaw, pagpunta sa isang mas tahimik at mas klarong sitwasyon. Maaring may conflict in the past, kaya ngayon, ito yung challenge sa'yo kung paano ka aalis sa conflict na yon, aalis doon sa kaguluhan ng isip na yon. Kasi yun talaga yung magbibigay sa'yo ng kaliwanagan doon sa mga tanong mo, doon sa mga kasi iba may kalituhan, ano na yung gagawin ninyo. Maari kasi may mga options ka ngayon, may mga bagay na ayaw mo pang iwanan dahil sa tingin mo, pwede pang i-work out yan, pero napaka-obvious naman na hindi na nagwo-work para sa'yo. What is the Six of Swords? Oh, you have the Ten of Cups. So, you are moving to a better situation for your family. Yung iba, pwedeng lilipat kayo ng bahay, lilipat kayo ng trabaho, or a situation sa family nyo na kung saan you will experience more ease, no? Mas magiging maayos, masarap sa pakiramdam. Yung iba sa inyo, may mga celebration within the family, or meron kayong mga activities together, like pwedeng literal, magpipiknik kayo, or going to a new place you've never been to. So, may mga plano kasi na hindi nyo nagagawa, no? So, ngayon, itong week na to, yun yung challenge sa inyo, to make things happen for yourself, to move forward, go to that direction, at mas maging inspired ka at motivated ka sa mga pag-abot ng goals mo. And your opportunity is the Three of Cups. So, meron ditong celebration. Merong achievement. So, yung iba pwedeng maliliit na milestone, 'di ba? So, lalo na kung ikaw ay may trabaho, meron kang sinimulan na proyekto na unti-unti nakikita mo yung progress, no? So, ito yung time na i-celebrate mo yung mga small wins mo. What is the Three of Cups? Uy! Ang ganda! So, this is Six of Wands, which is celebration and also success. So, meron kang achievement. Merong achievement na ma-achieve. Merong achievement na isa-celebrate mo this week. You will gain a lot of attention. If you are into social media, content creation, or yung life mo is nasa public eye, or you are serving people, or you are part of a community, meron kang reward or award na marireceive, and people will celebrate your success. Yung iba naman, meron ditong admiration from someone. So, maaring merong magpaparamdam sa inyo. If you're single, no? Na may pagkagusto sa inyo. Pwedeng isang kaibigan or malapit sa inyo na mas nakikilala kayo ngayon. Pwede rin naman kayo yung nagkakaroon ng romantic interest kasi mas nakikilala nyo ng lubusan itong kaibigan na to or itong acquaintance nyo na to. So, you are now having like a stronger bond or connection with this person. And then your blessing, Six of Pentacles, this is balance in your finances. Ayan. So, you will be blessed with the things na kailangan mo, no? So, don't worry, ano man yung needs mo, pangangailangan mo, it will be provided para sa'yo. You also have the Queen of Swords. And I think, mas magiging maingat ka sa pag-handle ng iyong kaperahan ngayon. At alam mo rin yung mga bagay na kailangan mong i-disiplina yung sarili mo. Oo, pagdating sa finances mo. Oh, talaga merong celebration, career, sa business, sa finances mo, achievement mo sa trabaho. Ayan, sabi rito, do not settle for anything less than what you deserve. Iwasan mo rin yung yung pagsa-self-sabotage mo, or parang pagkakaroon ng negative thinking na hindi mo kaya, na you don't deserve it, because you are worthy of success. Syempre. Uy, sa relationship, meron ditong new person sa buhay ninyo. Kaya lang, i-check nyo rin, baka kasi hindi na ibibigay yung yung dine-deserve ninyo ng person na to, no? Kasi parang one way one-way relationship lang siya. You have Mars in Aquarius in the 11th house. I think yung iba sa inyo focus sa family, no? You are protecting your family's needs. And meron ka ring iiwasang kaibigan dahil alam mo na parang hindi maganda yung intention nito sa'yo, or someone na pinagkatiwalaan mo. Maaring maire-reveal to sa'yo ano yung totoong intention ng tao na to sa'yo. You are also going to be more creative, so marami kang talento, skill set, abilities na i-showcase mo ngayong week. You also have life purpose. So, there is clarity sa purpose mo sa buhay. Alam nyo, yung destiny, yung life purpose, nagbabago yan. Okay? Hindi naman yan, ano lang, yung absolute na, ito, pag pinanganak ka dito sa mundo, ito na yung life's purpose mo forever. Nagbabago yan. May mga seasons yan na for this season, ito yung purpose mo. And then the next season, iba na naman. So, ngayong season na to, may bago kang matutuklasan tungkol sa sarili mo. You are also cleansing your energies, no? Meron kang tinatanggal ng mga anything negative around you, and this is going to help you as well, no? Makakatulong to sa'yo para mas ma-direct mo yung sarili mo sa success, sa abundance, dahil may mga, minsan kasi may mga tao sa paligid natin or may mga mindset tayo na hindi talaga helpful para ma-achieve natin yung success. And now, you are cleansing that. You are releasing that. Yung lack mentality. Nire-release mo rin yung victim mentality. Or yung mga unhealthy habits mo, you're also releasing that for your future. Oh my God. O ayan, empowered ka ngayon, Capricorn. Fire activations bring creative and spiritual freedom. I love this. So, andun yung may mga discovery ka sa sarili mo, the things na pwede mo pang gawin, pwede mo pang explore. And I think yung creative powers mo is ito yung ibabalik mo yung sigla, yung determination mo, yung spark mo sa sarili mo para mas maging productive at abundant ka. Okay? So that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.